Alright, so for the mechanism, pretty much like my pinball machine, it scans the green pin on the dollar bill in American money, and it also scans the green on the back, so you can put it in either way, but just for you know, for looks and just works better, I'm gonna put it on its front side. So it lines up perfectly straight. It does put a little bit of force on it, but it will not rip the dollar in half. So for this, I'm going to take out the Twix because it's kind of chaotic down there, and I want you guys to actually see the mechanism. And I'll do it for both, but for the Snickers, you just push one of the buttons down here, and it'll grab it. Now, as you can see, it doesn't fall down sometimes, but it's loose, so you can just grab it. That's why there's a glass display, so you guys can see it. If you guys want to rewind it and see that, you guys can go ahead and do that. But there is the Snickers, and then I'll show you what it looks like for the Twix. And then for the Twix, I'm just going to skip the whole dollar thing because you guys already know how it works now. Just push the Twix button. Oh my god. And then one last time, because the first time didn't work as well, put in the dollar bill. Push the Snickers button. And there it goes again. It was sort of leaning, but yeah, it works either way, honestly. And then one last thing before the video ends, I have a link to my Instagram account. It's my YouTube Instagram account, so you guys can actually see trailers and other cool things that I post that I don't post on my YouTube channel. So it'll be only on PC or just kind of any really computer. To get the link, it won't work on a mobile device. So if you guys want to check out that, there's exclusive content on it that you guys are definitely going to want to see. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.